Hi students, class is for 7, subject mathematics, chapter 5, conversions of metric measures, topic units of length. In this chapter, we are going to cover the topics of units of length, converting a smaller unit to a larger unit, and exercise problems. Let's learn units of length. What is length? The length is used for measuring the size of an object or the distance from one end to the other end. Let's see converting a smaller unit to a larger unit. When we convert smaller unit to a larger unit, we have to follow the some steps. First one, to convert from a smaller to a larger unit, divide the number by a power of 10. Second one, in the metric conversion, state chart for every step upward divide by 10. Third one, to convert to a smaller unit, move decimal point to the right or multiply. Let's see how to measure length. The first one, measurement tape. Measuring tape is a flexible ruler used to measure size or distance. It is a common measuring tool. Second one, scale. It is used to measure length. When we measure a length, we have to use measurement tape or scale. Where do we use length? The first picture says that everyone should follow the social distance. Here used length. The second one, to measure our height. Third one, playground. Fourth one, cloth. So these are example of length. Let's see units of length. Converting a smaller unit to a larger unit. The first one is kilometer. The largest unit is kilometer. The short form of kilometer is km. Then hectometer, hm. Then decameter, dam. Fourth one is meter, m. The base unit is meter. The base unit of length is meter. Then decimeter, dm. Then centimeter, cm. And last one is millimeter, mm. The smallest unit is millimeter. While moving from smallest unit to largest unit, we will do division operation. Let's see conversion table. As you know very well, largest unit is kilometer. We have to start kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, meter is base unit, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Smallest unit is millimeter. While moving from smallest unit to larger unit, for each step of unit, multiple 1 by 10. Millimeter to centimeter, multiple 1 by 10. Centimeter to decimeter, multiple 1 by 10. Decimeter to meter, multiple 1 by 10. Meter to decameter, multiple 1 by 10. Decameter to hectometer, multiple 1 by 10. Hectometer to kilometer, multiple 1 by 10. While moving larger unit to smaller unit, for each step of unit, multiple 10. Kilometer to hectometer, multiple 10. Hectometer to decameter, multiple 10. Decameter to meter, multiple 10. Meter to decimeter, multiple 10. Decimeter to centimeter, multiple 10. Centimeter to millimeter, multiple 10. This is very important for you. Let's see example 4. Convert First one, 603 centimeter to meter. Let us find the solution. Here convert centimeter to meter, that is smaller unit to higher unit. Here given formula chart, we have to use it. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Let's start from centimeter to meter. The first step, centimeter to decimeter. Second step, decimeter to meter. We have to move 2 steps upward. For each step of unit, multiple 1 by 10. Here we have to move 2 steps. So 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. The formula is 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Now substitute the value. 603 centimeter equal to 603 by 100 meter. Here 603 divide by 100. 100 means 20. The decimal point moves 2 places to the left. We get 6.03. 603 centimeter convert to meter. We get the answer is 6.03 meter. Let's see second problem. 1148 meter to kilometer. Let us find the solution. Here convert meter to kilometer, that is smaller unit to higher unit. Now write the formulas. We have to move meter to kilometer. The first step, meter to decameter. Second step, decameter to hectometer. Third step, hectometer to kilometer. So we have to move 3 steps upward. So each step of unit multiple 1 by 10. So we get 1 by 10 multiple with 1 by 10 multiple with 1 by 10. The formula is 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Here 1148 meter convert to kilometer. 1148 meter equal to, substitute the value, we get 1148 by 1000 kilometer. 1148 divided by 1000, here 30. The decimal point moves 3 places to the left. So we get the answer is 1.148. Therefore 1148 meter convert to kilometer, we get the answer is 1.148 kilometer. Let's see exercise 5.2. First Roman, convert the given length to meters. Third problem, 1560 centimeter. Let us find the solution. Here centimeter convert to meter. First we have to write the formula, that is smaller unit to largest unit. Now start from centimeter to meter. Centimeter to decimeter 1 step. Decimeter to meter 2 step. We have to move 2 steps upward. So each step of unit 1 by 10. Here we have to move 2 steps. So we get 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. The formula is 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. The question is 1560 centimeter. Now substitute the value. We get 1560 by 100 meter. Here 100 20. The decimal point moves 2 places to the left. So we get the answer is 15.60 meter. Therefore 1560 centimeter convert to meter, we get the answer is 15.6 meter. See fourth problem, 3 meter 6 centimeter. Let us find the solution. We are having two different units. One is meter, another one is centimeter. Keep the meter as it is. Convert only centimeter to meter. First write the formula. Here centimeter 2 meter, we have to move 2 steps upward. We get 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. The formula is 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Here take 6 centimeter. We get 6 by 100 meter. The decimal point 2 places to the left. We get 0.06 meter. Now 3 meter 6 centimeter equal to 3 meter plus 6 centimeter value 0.06 meter. Substitute the value. Then we have to add it. 3 meter plus 0.06 meter. We can add it. We get the answer is 3.06 meter. Therefore, 3 meter 6 centimeter convert to meter. We get the answer is 3.06 meter. Let's see second Roman. Convert the given length to kilometers. Second problem, 25,500 centimeter. Let us find the solution. Here, convert centimeter to kilometer, smaller unit to higher unit. First, write the formula. Start from centimeter to kilometer. We have to move 5 steps to upward. So we get 1 by 10 multiple with 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 1 by 10. The formula is 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 1 lakh kilometer. Now substitute the value 25,500 centimeter. We get the value is 25,500 divided by 1 lakh kilometer. The decimal point moves 5 places to the left. We get the answer is 0.25500. Therefore, 25,500 centimeter convert to kilometer. We get the answer is 0.255 kilometer. Let's see fourth one, 4,905 hectometer. Let us find the solution. Here hectometer convert to kilometer. First we want to write formula. We have to move 1 step to upward. We get 1 by 10. The formula is 1 hectometer equal to 1 by 10 kilometer. Now substitute the value. 4,905 hectometer equal to, we get the expression is 4,905 by 10 kilometer. The decimal point moves 1 place to the left. We get the answer is 490.5 kilometer. Therefore, 4,905 hectometer convert to kilometer. We get the answer is 490.5 kilometer. Third Roman, convert each as indicated in brackets. Fourth one, 7 millimeter convert to centimeter. Let us find the solution. First, we want to write formula. Millimeter to centimeter. We have to move 1 step upward. We get 1 by 10. The formula is 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Now substitute the value. 7 millimeter equal to 7 by 10 centimeter. The decimal point move 1 place to the left. We get the answer is 0.7 centimeter. Therefore, 7 millimeter convert to centimeter. We get the answer is 0.7 centimeter. Fifth one, 464 meter convert to kilometer. Let us find the solution. First, we want to write formula. Here, meter convert to kilometer. Start from meter to kilometer. We have to move 3 steps upward. We get 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. The formula is 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Now substitute the value. 464 meter equal to 464 by 1000 kilometer. The decimal point moves 3 places to the left. We get the answer is 0.464 kilometer. Therefore, 464 meter convert to kilometer. We get the answer is 0.464 kilometer. Let's see fourth question. The dimension of a rectangular block are 6.7 meter into 85 centimeter. Find its perimeter in meter and area in square meter. Let us find the solution. The first step, what statement is here given? Length of a blank equal to 6.7 meter. Breadth of a blank equal to 85 centimeter. Here length is given in meter, breadth is given in centimeter. So keep the meter as it is. Here convert only centimeter to meter. So first we want to write formula. Here centimeter convert to meter. We have to move 2 steps upward. The formula is 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Now substitute the value. 85 centimeter equal to 85 by 100 meter. The decimal point moves 2 places to the left. We get the answer is 0.85 meter. Breadth of a blank equal to 0.85 meter. We have to find perimeter of the blank. Perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B units. Now we have to substitute L and B. L equal to 6.7 meter, B equal to 0.85 meter. We get the expression is 2 into 6.7 plus 0.85 meter. First add the number inside the bracket. So we get 2 into 6.7 plus 0.85. We get the answer is 7.55. 2 into 7.55 meter. Now multiply the values. 2 into 7.55 equal to 15.1 meter. Perimeter equal to 15.1 meter. Let's find area. Area equal to L into B square units. Now substitute L and B. L equal to 6.7 into B 0.85. So square units means meter squared. Now we have to multiply the values. 6.7 into 0.85. We get the answer is 5.695 meter squared. Therefore, perimeter of the blank equal to 15.1 meter. Area of the blank equal to 5.695 meter squared. This is your time. Choose the correct answer. The first question is the smallest unit of length is dash. Option A millimeter. Option B centimeter. Option C meter. The correct answer is answer A millimeter. The second one 1 millimeter equal to dash meter. Option A 1 by 10. Option B 1 by 100. Option C 1 by 1000. Answer is C. Answer C is 1 by 1000. Third one is the metric system of measurement is based on the number dash. Option A 1. Option B 10. Option C 100. Answer is B 10. Fourth one, when moving from a small unit to a large unit, we use dash operation. Option A addition. Option B division. Option C multiplication. The answer is B division. Fifth one 6 centimeter equal to dash decameter. Option A 6. Option B 0.06. Option C 0.006. Answer is C 0.006. Thank you students.